Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. Yo, what's up? It's another day with fellow F. Alright guys, on this video, I want to talk about trend line trading. It's simple. Like you can see on my screen, I have a trend line. So like the name goes, trend line, it means it actually acts as a line that indicates the trend direction. Alright, so if we are in an uptrend, the trend line acts like a resistance or sorry, the trend line acts as a resistance or a support depending on the trend. So in an uptrend, it acts as a support, and in a downtrend, it acts as a resistance. So when you are in a downtrend, in an uptrend, whenever price touches the trend line, you start looking for a buy, right? So like right now, you can see that price touched this zone here, came close. Let me compress my chart a little so we can see everything. All right, like I said, price touched here, here, came close, and touched here. Okay, so you've seen my four touches. All right, now whenever price touches a zone, let me just mark out this. You go to the lower time frame to find an entry. Okay, so this is actually daily, so I have to go down to the hourly so I can get an entry, because you don't just trade based off assumptions that all right, it has touched the zone, I just need to buy. You don't buy blindly, you wait for a confirmation. You see, here we had a clean morning star pattern. Okay, let me take this one out and give you the morning star pattern. So for pattern traders, you already understand what I'm talking about. So this is a morning star pattern. This is a confluence around a key level or a trend line. What do? You buy. Excuse me. You buy. So you buy from the second candle. Where's your stop loss? Few pips below the trend line. And where's your take profit? At least 2 times what you're risking. Clean. 1:3. All right. We continue. Wait for price to come back. Like right here, price came close to the trend line and gave us an engulfing candlestick. You all can see. Those who've been watching my confluence videos, I believe you understand more. So this is a clear bullish engulfing candlestick. What do? You get in, okay? You get in. You don't think too much on the second candle. Okay, where's your stop loss? Few pips below the trend line, because it could still come back to the trend line. What's your TP? At least 1:2. Okay, so we got a clean 1:3. All right, we continue. This is on the same trend line we're talking about. We go further, because price always gives you clues of what it has to do. Okay, price came, actually gave us a double bottom. Let me mark it out for you. That's a double bottom. Took out the neckline. Okay, so for those who trade chart patterns, you see it gave us a double bottom. This is the neckline. You know my strategy. Use the same thing. It works like magic. Same formula. Okay, you mark out this zone. So at the retest, you get your entry. So what do? You cash it here. Where's your stop loss? Few pips below the trend line. And what's your TP? At least 1:2. You get. So this is a clean 1:4, and the price continues the trend. This is a 1:8, guys. So this is exactly how the trend line works. Exactly how the trend line works. So guys, if you are new here, do not forget to show some love. If you're watching this on TikTok, do not forget to follow for more. You're watching it on Facebook, do not forget to show some love, follow as well. And if you're watching this on Instagram, also follow, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube. That's how it works. Always follow your trend lines. It works like magic. It works. It works. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you on the next video. Ciao.